By the way, we're talking with Nick Shriver. Decorating Elves is his company. He's the general manager and owner as well. Decoratingelves.com. Decoratingelves.com. You can find him there. He's got a lot of great content on the website there as well. Talk a little bit about the process and the design and the creation.
So with the outdoor lighting process, one of the things we, obviously after we talk to somebody on the phone, we're going to kind of figure out what their wants, needs, and dreams are, and make sure that we're the right fit for what they're looking for, and then we'll schedule something to come out and meet with them on site. And somebody that may have a COVID issue or something that maybe is a limiting factor, we're going to accommodate. We can do that through Zoom, we can do that through FaceTime, we can do that on site through FaceTime digitally, and so there are things that we will accommodate, so people do not need to worry about that kind of stuff. But we're also, when we get on property, which is typically their house or another business, we're going to try to figure out, what's going to make them look good. So before we really jump into saying, hey, you got to put something here, you got to like that, this should like this, like that, or maybe shouldn't, we try to figure out, how these people are, if especially a residential home, how are you enjoying your home? How are you enjoying your property? What makes you want to enjoy it? What makes you want to go outside?
Yeah.
What makes you want to have this thing lit? So we try to figure out what all those things are. And then, like a great baker, we're going to take that as part of our recipe, and then we're going to try to bake the best cake we can, from that. So like, as we're walking through the process, when we're learning some of that, we're going to look at a property, and if we're looking at it from the front, from the street, we're going to try to figure out how we can make the front, the entrance, as inviting as possible.
Nice.
So inviting is a big deal, because we all know that your house, you want to invite people in, friends, family, and you want it to be welcoming.
Yeah.